Hi, and welcome to the Photonics Imaging Laboratory here in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Each month, we'll be bringing you new instructional videos providing you tips and tricks to use with your SkyScan instrumentation. Let's go ahead and jump into the tip for this month. Hello, and welcome inside the SkyScan 1272 control software. Today we're going to be discussing how to obtain new flat field images for an offset scan. The first step we want to do whenever we're going to update our flat field images is to remove the current flat field corrections which are saved. To do that within the 1272 software, we are going to double click on the top left under the FF designation, and we'll see that the image intensity reduces and we get a new notification that the flat field corrections are currently off. Next, right click on the screen in order to draw the transmission profile line. We want to go ahead and inspect this line for linearity across the horizontal axis of the detector, and also look at the average X-ray transmission value. So in this case, we're looking at a value of around 61.5%, which falls right within our range of 50 to 70% X-ray transmission. Next, we're going to go ahead and open our scanning modes menu. Now, if you open the options panel and you see that scanning modes is not available, the first thing you'll need to do is unlock that. To unlock these extra menu items, you're going to hold down the Control, Alt, Shift, S key combination. And now when you go back to the options menu, you'll see that scanning modes is available. Within scanning modes, we are in the camera position, filter, and binning mode. For this scan, we are going to complete in an offset fashion. So now we can go ahead and tell it we would like to update flat fields for the marked mode, and we see the marked mode designated in the bold line. And then for this case, since it's the first flat field of the day, we're going to go ahead and turn off the only bright field flat references. That way we capture a bright and a dark flat field. We're also going to turn off central camera position only, since we're going to be doing an offset scan. Turning this off will allow the detector to move to each of the positions which will be used for the offset scan so that we can obtain new flat field images in each orientation. This is key to ensuring quality results from an offset scan. Clicking OK will begin the automated process. Now that the automated flat field correction process has completed for all of the offset camera positions, we are ready to go ahead and start setting up our offset scan. The first step in doing so is to go ahead and re-enable the flat field correction on the current view. To do this, we're going to move our mouse back to the top left corner of the screen, double click once, and we will see that the flat field corrections are applied and our corresponding transmission values are increased. Now we can set up the scan as normal by going into our scanning options menu and selecting whether we would like to use 2 or 3 camera positions to give us a double or triple width scan.
Hello. Thank you for watching this installment of our video tip of the month. At Photonics, we strongly believe that the research you do changes the world, and we're happy to support you in your efforts through these videos, through our advanced training courses, and our annual workshops. Through these efforts, we strive to make sure that you are getting the most from your Bruker Micro CT machine. If you have any questions on this video or any other questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Thank you again, and have a good day.